how to add a budget profile to a web user. You will see on this demo store that this profile has a budget of $7 to spend. I'll show you how to apply that to a user. So load your client, and here you will see the budget profiles we have already loaded, and the one you've seen on the front of this website is this budget number 3 here. I'll show you how to add a new one. You just click add budget, name it, and it appears here. Then you need to double click it because you need to add the terms of this budget. So the value that they're allowed to spend and the time frame. So they could have a monthly budget of $50 and that's it. And you click OK. And you can add all of the terms for the year. So there you have a few budget terms in there. Just go back to this one here and you'll see that you can actually track as well if a budget has been spent. You'll see the profile before. Whoever's got budget 2 assigned to them, they have spent their amount for the month. We'll look at budget 3 again and I'll show you what it looks like for the client. So now that you've assigned this budget in here, you actually have to give it to a user. So go into your web users, and over here you'll see the budget. You can search in here for the others that are around. Obviously budget 2 won't work because they've spent their budget. Budget 4 will be for another person, and this person has to have budget 3. So exit out of here, exit out of here, don't forget to refresh. Refresh, F5. Okay, and this profile still has their $7 budget. So they can go in and order their t-shirt for the month. Add it to their cart. They complete the order. They say yes please, send me a t-shirt, and this has been processed, and that's order number 39. Okay, now you will see that this bracketed information has changed and they now have no budget left to spend. However, the front end can still allow orders to be processed. I'll just quickly show you. If they choose to ignore this, the front end will allow them to go through the same process again and potentially order another t-shirt, order number 40. Okay. However, as you'll see at the moment, that only has 24 stock sales. If I click refresh, this has now changed to 25. The system will only send through the order that fits their budget. So they could sit here and order another 15 t-shirts, but only one order is going to come through because they are restricted by budget. I'll show you in here. I'll just flick through right to the end of this file. And there's the t-shirt, order number 39. There is no 40. It might have shown that they could have done it, but it won't actually come through for you to process. So that's the stopgap measurements coming through to you, so you won't be actually processing all these orders out of budget. I'll also show you that they have spent their budget. Here, budget number 3, their amount allowed is 7 and they have spent their amount. And that is how you assign budgets to web users.